Hey Tonya,
What's up, John?
I tell you what's up. We're going to talk about decoration on cruise cabin doors.
Stay tuned.
All right, so we got another new member to the TJ Fun family.
We already knew about King Jasper here. He was
Mm-hmm.
our first little puppy. And then Jasper and Anna, because our dog Anna is 15 years old, and she loves to watch him and be like a mother to him, but not so much play. And Jasper, we wanted something for him to keep busy, and we ended up getting one more puppy. And this is Mischief Maui. We call him Mischief Maui, and that mischief fits him well because his size.
I'm going to try to.
Yeah, yeah. Don't.
That's
Yeah, just.
here. He's
very
small.
little.
Yeah. So you can see how
Yeah,
small
he's
he is.
very little.
But
And he's only a pound and a half. But yeah, he's
he
tiny.
doesn't take any gruff from
But
Jasper
they
at all.
do love each other.
Yeah.
They play well together.
And they are cousins.
Yeah, they are cousins. Their dads are brothers.
Yep.
I'm gonna put Jasper down. He wants down.
You want to hold Maui?
Yeah, I'll take
Oh,
Maui.
okay. So, TJ Fun family, let's introduce
So we
a
just
good
grew.
big hello and love to Maui.
Yep.
Mischief Maui.
Mischief Maui.
Yeah. He's a little cutie.
Oh, and
So,
he's a snuggler.
Yeah.
So
all right.
I'll add some video a little bit of them playing so you can see them interacting together.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Let's get into the video. Let's talk about cruise cabin decoration. Some people like it, some people don't. We like it.
Yeah, and within reason. I love the ones that go all out, but as long as it's to your door, maybe above your door, but not where it's sticking out into the hallway where people can't get through. Because I have seen a few like
Yeah.
that, and I think they've been told they got to move it in a little bit. But I love it. I think it's cool. We like to go around and take photos. I do have maybe some photos of decorated doors that we took, but we're gonna throw a couple other decorated doors that we found just to kind of show you. But they really go all out
So,
with those doors.
there's a couple good reasons why to decorate your door. To find your cabin.
Oh yeah, because when you're on a ship, as you know, if you haven't been on a ship, you might not know.
They all look the same.
They all of them doors look the same. So
Right. And not only that, express your feelings, how what your artistic side is.
yeah, some people put like magnets or different things hanging from each cruise they've ever been on. Some people go all out with ducks. I'm one of those.
And during Halloween time, like we've been on a Halloween cruise, New Year's cruise.
Oh yeah, those are the most
Thanksgiving
fun doors
cruise.
to see.
Yeah, they decorate during Halloween.
Not to mention
Right.
during Halloween,
Yep.
some cruise lines, I don't know exactly which ones. I know Carnival was one. You can get your cabin on a list if you're going to pass out candy or different things, and then trick or treaters can get that list. Or is it Disney? I can't remember.
Disney does it.
Yeah, so you can find out which cabins do it, and you can take your kids and go around trick or treating to those cabins and get candy. So, but yeah, so that's a lot of fun. But yeah,
You scratch at my
what's
leg.
your
you wanna
opinion
come
on
out.
decorated doors? Do you guys like kind of walking through? And I love it.
Yeah.
So
Like Tiny said, some cruise cabins like to express how many cruises they've been on. We have one. I don't know if we're going to do it this time, but we have something what Tonya made. It shows all of our plaques.
Yeah, I made it, but I'd like to have one made. I made this one myself, but I think I'm just going to keep it for the office and hang it.
Okay.
Because it's just so big. And
It is.
I did it with like popsicle sticks and painted it. And
It's really nice.
It's just too big. I would like to get one that's a little more, not so delicate, that I can put in my suitcase, maybe, wrap
guess
it.
who wants to join us?
Oh, yes. We have Annabelle. This is
Princess
Annabelle.
Queen
She's
Anna.
our 15-year-old.
Yeah.
She may not stay up too long because she doesn't look comfortable, but
Yep.
come here,
She
Jasper. Come here. We'll have all three up
definitely
here.
likes
Okay.
coming to me.
Oh, yeah. You just want to see your cousin.
But yeah, 3 Yorkies. Yeah,
Yep.
this house is crazy.
But you know what? I love it. And Annabelle's not so much crazy. She does get down a little bit with them, but she's more motherly, like I said. She, if one of them barks and has that high-pitched bark, like they're hurt or something, Annabelle will jump down and check on them.
Or if there's getting out of control, she puts the law down. So that's enough, boys. Yeah. So with the cabin doors decoration, you might, I don't know if it happened or not, but TJ Fun might go around and put something special on your door sometimes.
We do that.
Yep.
I'm going to put him back down. He's wiggling.
Okay.
We'd like to do that. We will walk around, and those of you that decorate your doors, not just put a magnet on your door. If you decorate your doors, we'll take little ducks with our magnets, and we'll give you guys a little goodie or something we put on the doors. We like to do that on some cruises.
We had a couple on the panorama last time. Hey, can you come to our cabin?
Yeah,
we did.
We decorated our magnet, and it's like, but the only thing that's been getting really bad with these, even magnets, not even the duck situation, but the magnets, people are stealing
decorations.
them. So when you go to decorate your doors, guys, hit the Dollar General or the Dollar Tree or whatever you guys call it in your town or whatever. Buy inexpensive things and don't buy anything that's,
too
a memento of something you don't want to lose, because people will steal. And it's not even so much the kids stealing. There's adults stealing magnets. Or anything you decorate. Someone put really pretty battery-operated lanterns, and those got stolen on our last cruise from somebody. Just don't put expensive stuff out. You can get some really cute things at like a party store or like Party City,
Amazon.
or even Amazon.
Yeah.
Don't go expensive. And if you're collecting magnets from different cruises, don't put those on your door either, because they're gonna get stolen, you guys.
We had a couple of our
cruise. There's people saying things are getting stolen.
Yeah, we had a couple of our magnets. Kind of
they were just
5-finger factory. Off our
duck
door.
magnets, and now our little round duck magnets that I put on there with our business card.
That's different.
That's different. We want you
We're
guys
talking
to
about
take those
decoration.
But our
magnets.
decorations, guys, please, and keep in mind, some people are putting those magnetic duck mailboxes on the door. If you are not going to give a duck in their mailbox, do not open the mailboxes and take a duck. Those are for giving a duck, taking a duck. You trade. Do not walk around. Do not let your kids walk around and take ducks without putting something back in there.
Yeah. I mean,
it steals from the fun, you guys.
Yeah.
It really does.
I mean, it's nice to see when we walk the ship, especially on a sea day, if it's a little downtime. It's one of our things we like to do. Tonya and I like to walk the ship and see different decorations on doors, and gives us ideas, in the future how we're going to do our cabin maybe. There's some real nice ones. We've seen one with, what do you call that? Christmas garland. Yeah, they put Christmas garland around the door where battery operated Christmas lights and ornaments on the door.
I've seen the nautical one where they use the mesh, looks like roping.
Oh, I love that one.
Yeah, and they put like starfish and different, it's really cool, anchors and different. It's really cool. So,
comment down below if you like decoration.
Yeah, and how do you decorate your doors? In fact, our email's listed in the description of the video. If you guys have decorated doors and you have pictures of them, send them to us. When we get enough of them, we'll include them in another video of your door. Include your name too if you want your name included in the video. If you want a photo of yourself, whatever. But at least include your decorated door. I just think that's so cool. We can get enough of those together. We'll do a montage of decorated doors and what ship you were on for that. So we also know that.
And on the flip side, if you don't like your door decorated, hey, you know what?
It's okay too.
Yeah, tell us why.
That's okay. Maybe you don't want the extra luggage. Maybe you don't want the extra luggage, or we don't judge. We just
tell us why, and it could be a good reason why. And
and there might be no reason, and who cares?
Right. Right. Maybe no reason. Maybe you just don't want nothing on your door. You just want a nice plain door, plain and simple.
Yep.
That's it.
They want
Now,
to play.
now, here's the thing. You can decorate your door. You can decorate the adjacent wall to your door.
Just don't stick it out towards the hallway like we
Right.
mentioned. Because
But you're not allowed to decorate if you have a balcony. You're not allowed to do that.
Wait a minute. Clarify that.
Mm-hmm.
You can decorate out. You can't decorate your balcony.
Right.
You can decorate the hallway. You made it sound like if you have a balcony, you can't decorate your doors. Yes.
If you have a balcony
You
cabin,
can't
you can
decorate the
decorate your
balcony,
door.
but not your balcony.
Not your balcony.
Yeah.
So do not put stuff out on your balcony.
Yeah.
You can't do that. You'll be told
Well,
to take
not
it down.
only that, you're gonna because it's littering. It's not gonna stay.
Right.
So.
No, well, it's a hazard. It could be a
And
hazard.
with that, also don't put. I had a wet T-shirt one time on a cruise years ago, and I hung it over the chair to dry. And,
Yeah, don't do that
it
either.
Disappeared. I lost my T-shirt.
Cruise Lines is cracking down on that
I wasn't
too.
even thinking my brain, but now we don't put anything out there.
Nope.
I have put our wet shoes, like our water shoes, out there, but
And
they're heavy.
and sticky sandals.
Yeah, stinky ears. Yeah. So,
All right.
okay.
So, short little video. We just want to introduce
Yeah.
Mischief Maui,
Mischief Maui, and bring back King Jasper there, and
King Jasper.
Princess Annabelle.
Yep. And we just want to talk about decorations on doors. I've seen this video about decoration on doors. I think they're really cool. Go on a Disney cruise, Carnival cruise, Royal Caribbean, Margaritaville. They all really get into it. Decorate your doors.
Yeah. It's
Make
fun.
it how you want it. There's no right or wrong.
Keep it inexpensive,
And you might have a little magnet duck by TJ Fun.
or whatever we bring that I
Or
give.
whatever
Sometimes I run out of the magnet ducks. We have other things, so.
You might have something special by TJ Fun if you have a decorated door. So if you go on Margaritaville, September 5th, is the 5th?
The 5th through the 15th.
5th through the 15th, and you're listening to this video, if you want something, maybe, decorate your door. We'll find you.
We'll put something. I don't think I have magnet ducks for that, though. I did some really cute
Oh,
things
yeah,
for that
don't,
one.
yeah, yeah.
Well, I can share it for that one, but
Yeah.
I made these little, I'll share the picture of it, but I did little, since it's a Jimmy Buffett cruise, it's the Lost Shaker of Salt, so I took little teeny, that I ordered on Amazon, salt shakers, and I found these little ducks with the Margaritaville and the little parrot on the shoulder for Jimmy Buffett, and I glued it on top of the little mini salt shakers, and those are what I have for the Jimmy Buffett Margaritaville Islander cruise.
There it is.
And then I don't know what I'm doing for the New Year's one yet. Our first MSC cruise, so
Yeah.
we'll
we're
be
gonna,
on MSC Seascape for New Year's this year.
Oh, if you buy on MSC,
Yeah.
do they decorate their doors?
Yes. Let
If
us know
not-
if they're magnet doors.
Right. If not, we're going to start a tradition on MSC. We're going to decorate the
Well,
doors.
we'll see. If you're allowed to. We don't know. Let us know, guys.
All right. All right.
All right.
On that note, it's going to be a quick little video to introduce Maui, reintroduce Jasper wherever he is,
And we can exclude Anna, of course.
and of course Anna. She's been in a couple videos already, but she's a good girl. Yes, you are. All right. On that note, you got anything more, Tonya?
Nope. That's it. I'm going to make some tacos.
Taco Sunday. It's not
Yeah,
Taco Tuesday.
Taco Sunday today.
Taco Sunday. All right. Love you all, and we'll see you on the next video side.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye now.